Chili pepper nachos. Remember that chili I defrosted on yesterday? About to put it to good use in this recipe. After cleaning the peppers with white vinegar and warm water, cut it as such. You can make slices or you can just cut them up very finely. It just totally depends on you. Sometimes I do one or the other. It just depends on how I feel. Next, I'm going to season the peppers with Mrs. Dash and extra virgin olive oil while I'm preheating the oven, 350 for about 10 minutes. Bake the peppers. They should look roasted and brown like this. Add the chili on top. Also add the cheese, mozzarella and cheddar. Bake for about 10 or 15 minutes. It should come out looking something like this. This is such a great way to get in lots of protein and lots of veggies, kind of sneaking it in without even realizing that you're doing it. Top it off with some Greek yogurt or sour cream or whatever extra toppings like green onions you want. But you can totally make this a healthy recipe and still enjoy it without compromising the taste. Don't forget, like, share, save, follow for more recipes. You'll love this. Thank me later.